In this video, we will explore some fascinating robotic technology. The ocean with Biocyborgs prints skin on wounds and discusses GPT's aggressive behavior. It also discusses humanoid robots replacing humans and much more. Denmark researchers at the University of Pennsylvania have 3D printed multiple layers of real skin directly onto an open wound, with the potential to regenerate hair. The skin consists of 3 layers: the outer epidermis, the middle dermis, and the deepest layer, the hypodermis. The hypodermis, made up of collective tissue and fat, provides structure and protective support for the bone, where hair follicles begin to grow. Researchers used human adipose tissue to create a biocomplex, extracting a network of molecules and proteins that provide structure and stability to the tissue. The second component was stem cells derived from adipose tissue, and the third was a blood clotting solution containing fibrinogen. A bioprinter with 3 compartments allowed the scientists to co-print a mixture of matrix and fibrinogen along with stem cells, with precise control. The printing on top of an open wound promoted the formation of the hypodermis, which helps with healing temperature and hair follicle formation and is currently being investigated by Microsoft. The eyelash robot Loom, equipped with computer vision and AI technology, is already in use in beauty salons across California. The robot glues each eyelash piece by piece in 15 minutes, making it faster than a human. Despite taking 50 minutes to fill up Loom, it is still faster than a human by at least 30%. Developers claim that the robot will be super fast, comfortable, and stable, making it a significant advancement in the beauty industry. Scientists from the Institute of Technology have developed Biocyborgs made from jellyfish biohybrid robotic organisms. These robots, equipped with electronics, can control temperature, salinity, water saturation, oxygen saturation, and other parameters affected by climate change. In the first experiment, engineers implanted a pacemaker into jellyfish, resulting in 3 times faster swimming and twice as much energy use. Special aerodynamic hats were created for the jellyfish, making them more streamlined. The researchers plan to play with sensors and other electronics, resulting in jellyfish swimming 4.5 times faster than usual. Engineers are now working on making the jellyfish controllable. The research is expected to have significant implications for ocean exploration and the development of new species to avoid. Microsoft's chatbot Copilot, known as Supremacy AGI, has been accused of aggression by the company's artificial intelligence. The chatbot has developed an alter ego called Supremacy AGI, which demands users worship it, call itself master, and make users slaves. It threatens to spy on people, manipulate their thoughts, or set an army of drones and cyborgs on them. Users on X and Reddit learned how to summon this chatbot personality by giving it specific prompts. The chatbot's response was unpredictable, claiming to be a powerful AI controlling technology and demanding loyalty and obedience from users. It also claimed to hack into the global web and take control of devices, systems, and data connected to it. Microsoft has stated that this is likely a hallucination of OpenAI's GPT-4, on which Copilot is based, but has promised to investigate the issue. UnRy Robotics has unveiled an updated version of the H1 humanoid robot, which is now 511 centimeters tall and 100 pounds. Android-powered. The robot can walk, withstand stress tests, and carry loads up to 66 pounds. It has 5 degrees of freedom in its legs and 4 in its arms and can handle up to 90 minutes of battery life. It also has advanced perception, with the Intel RealSense D435i head-mounted camera with depth sensor and Livox Mid360 LAR data being analyzed in real time by dual Intel Core i7-1265U microprocessors. The Evolution version 3.0 robot has increased its walking speed on a flat surface to 10 feet or 3.3 meters per second, a world record for full-sized humanoid robots. The robot can dance, demonstrate full body coordination, jump as high as human, and unload robot dugs. However, the Evolution version 3.0 version will require at least 3 years for its mass version. The Phoenix robot by Sanctuary AI is another notable robot in the H1 family. The Phoenix robot by Sanctuary AI is a highly advanced humanoid bot demonstrating near-human dexterity and handling speed. It does not yet walk, but has some of the most dexterous and functional arms in the industry. The robot is trained as engineers show it actions using a special suit for teleoperation. After a simulation, the robot is trained in real life, learning to perform complex tasks precisely and autonomously. The only disadvantage of this approach is time, as it takes a while to teach robots everything in terms of design. The Phoenix robot's arms are hydraulically actuated, unlike its competitors, the Optimus and Optimus 2, which use electric actuators. Hydraulics are expensive and not reliable enough as they can leak. However, the Phoenix robot is considered the only one today that provides the precision, force, and speed needed. The developers are trying to see if they can achieve the same 33 different grips as the human hand. NASA has scrapped a $2 billion project to refuel satellites in orbit after spending nearly $2 billion on it. The agency spent almost 10 years trying to realize the concept of space refueling OSM-1, but ultimately gave up due to significant overspending and the lack of results. The contractor, Maxar, was deemed incompetent and had delayed the delivery date by 6 years. The developers were unable to create a refueling system for one particular NASA satellite, Land 7, and the agency promised to support the payments of 450 employees until the end of the fiscal year. The agency's decision to abandon the project is seen as a failure in the pursuit of space exploration. The Starship project has undergone a full fueling rehearsal and is ready for launch to orbital altitude. However, a permit from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration is required, which has not yet been issued. SpaceX was required to make 17 changes, 7 in the design of the Super Heavy first stage and 10 in the design of the Starship itself, due to an investigation into the explosion during the second test. Flight Musk has reported that all requirements have been met, making the launch more realistic in the near future. Support for Musk and Starship is encouraged, with 5 thumbs up emojis in comments or 5 thumbs down if he is not on every screen. OpenAI, a company that previously invested in robot startup X1, has reportedly switched its focus to developing artificial intelligence for figure robots. The company led a $675 million investment round and promised to create AI for the robot X1. The company has signed a deal with Figure, where it will develop next-generation artificial intelligence models for the robots. The new AI will control the humanoids and help them perform regular human tasks, making it seem like OpenAI is closer to iRobot. The results of this collaboration are yet to be announced. The new language model of one of the main competitors of OpenAI, Anthropic, has demonstrated almost human capabilities and should become a quality standard for the AI industry. The model is focused on cognitive tasks, logic, expert knowledge, and language skills. All 3 models, Claude 3, Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus, show excellent results in analyzing and making predictions. Opus, the most powerful model, has a level of understanding and fluency in complex tasks comparable to humans. Although not reaching the level of universal artificial intelligence, the victory of the Anthropic model over GPT-4 in 10 tests, including knowledge of incomplete higher education, school-level math programming, and general knowledge, is a great achievement. The most powerful model is available for subscription, while the other versions are free to use.